morning.
Cabin is that like what do you live in?
I'm a new professional development teacher. It's an educational consultant. So it's like I'm going to employment right outside of Burbank. It's hard to
Los Angeles. Ashby, this time please make sure that all your carry items have been properly stored underneath the seat in front of you, one of those overhead bins. Seat backs and plate tables should be in a full upright and locked position. Just a few moments we'll be closing the aircraft door and be on our way out to Los Angeles. Once we're off the ground to LA, about 2 hours and 52 minutes flight time to take off to landing. Safety instructions are located in the seat pocket in front of you, and for those of you using one of the exit roads, please take a few moments to review the exit roads and the requirements. You might be called upon helping us out in case of emergency evacuation. Any questions or concerns to get one of the exit roads, please let us know. I want to ask you to go ahead and stop putting those cell phones in aircraft airplane mode in such a way that they're not transmitting a cellular signal. Again, those cell phones should be placed in aircraft airplane mode in such a way that they will not transmit a cellular.
Welcome on your way. First, make sure your seat is upright. All larger electronic devices are put away and your tray table is stowed. Seat back device holders must be stowed for taxi, takeoff, and landing. If you have a carry-on, place it all the way under the seat in front of you. Larger carry-on luggage goes in the overhead bin. If you have small handheld devices, such as cell phones, tablets, and smartwatches, please switch them to airplane mode now. If your electronic device falls into your seat, please do not adjust your seat and contact a crew member for assistance. If you haven't already fastened your seatbelt, insert the metal end into the buckle and pull the strap so it's tight across your hips. To open your seatbelt, lift the top of the buckle. And remember, seatbelts should be fastened whenever you're seated in case.
Thank you for attention, ladies and gentlemen. In just a few moments, we'll be leaving the cabin.
How Latino?
I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. Ooh, I am for real. Never meant.
Puma, if you're committed.
This app is.
What is your time?
Who's next, huh?
Folks, our flight deck it's finally smoothed out for us. We'll turn the seatbelt sign on. As always, anytime you are seated, do keep your seat. A few metering delays from the traffic flow into LA has slowed us up a little bit. Right now it looks like we should be about 10 minutes behind schedule arriving into the gate after landing at about 9:30. We'll be starting our descent in the next few minutes, so if you do need to get up before landing now would be a good time to do so, as we'll likely be turning the seatbelt sign on shortly after we start our descent. Latest weather in LA, partly cloudy skies, 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Well, thank you for choosing American today. Enjoy the rest of your day. When you do departure, when you open the overhead bins, items may have shifted during the flight. If any questions in the baggage claim, cross-representation, and if the flight information, the uniform representative meeting the flight that be able to assist you. Television monitors throughout the terminal with the most updated flight and gate information. Again, we are arriving at Terminal 4B number 43. In correction, local LA time is 9:23 in the morning. On behalf of all of us at American Airlines, especially its Los Angeles Space Flight, it's been a pleasure having you on board this morning. We do appreciate your business. Come back and see us again in the near future. Once again, welcome to Los Angeles.